Hi, it's Linda from homeschoolingsticks.com, and today I wanted to share with you something I've been waiting for and I'm super excited about. This is a book subscription. It's Coffee and a Classic. So you get coffee and you get a classic book. So I was so excited about this. Everybody knows, if you're a follower on my channel or my blog or any other social media, you know how much I love coffee and I love books and I love mugs, and this one just has it all. This one's actually the children's classic, so it might be some sort of tumbler or cup. But let me just go ahead and share with you. So you could pick from classic literature, children's classic, or a classic nonfiction. And so this month, this is the box for month of May. And what I really like about this book box is, if you want to know what books it is, they do have a sneak peek and they tell you the book, but not everything that's going to be in there. So for May, the classic literature was The Beautiful and Damned by F. Scott Fitzgerald. And then this one, which I'm super excited about, is the children's classic, and it's Aladdin and the Arabian Nights. That's what the theme is. And the book is going to be a hardcover. And then classic nonfiction was Seabiscuit, an American Legend. So again, this one's the Aladdin and the Arabian Nights. And I also wanted to share really quick before we get to opening the box, there's two levels when you subscribe. So you could choose the starter classic subscription, and that I'm just going to go ahead and read it off of here. It says, treat yourself or a book lover in your life with the starter classic book box. The starter book box includes a classic book, something to sip on, and what's really cool is you can choose either coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. So if you're not a coffee lover and you prefer tea, you can do that, or hot chocolate. And then 2 bookish items and a bookmark. So then that is $29.99. There's also the standard classic subscription, which I believe this one is. I haven't opened it yet. And this one you get the same as the starter, but you also get something to snack on and a mug. And it's also packaged in a high quality photo box. How awesome is that? So, and that one is $40.99. And then you could, so again, the starter classic is $29.99, and the one that I believe we're going to open up today is $40.99. And you can change your subscription. So let's say you wanted a classic one month, but you wanted the children's classic another month, you can do that. You just have to do it in time. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm so excited about this one. So let me just put the box over here and open it up. I did slice through it already, the tape, so I don't have to do that. And this is what it looks like when you open it. And again, this one is for the standard classic subscription. So this is the one that is $40.99. And look how beautiful this is. It says Coffee and a Classic, and it's just, the presentation is just wonderful. Just beautiful. So, useful box afterwards. Okay, I don't even want to rip this, but okay, I guess I'm going to have to, because, yeah, there it goes. I'm going to take the lid off. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that is. This is just a spoiler card, I believe this is. And it says, isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that, it's so beautiful. I love the colors and everything about it. And okay, so let's go ahead. I'll read as I go along. Oh, I'm just so excited. Okay, so let's see. Here is a mug, and you all know how much I love mugs. Okay, so this says Open Sesame. So there's the mug, and you can go on their site and they have past boxes that you could look at. Oh my goodness, and the things are just so gorgeous. They actually have this one Winnie the Pooh mug where it's like the honey is dripping on the side, and I think it's a flower pot lookish, and then with honey. Oh, so it's probably a mug pot. But anyway, I just thought that was so cute. But so this one says Open Sesame. Oh, and I love the size of this. It's such a good size just to, on a cold winter night or a stormy night, just to have your coffee, your tea, or your hot cocoa in this. So I love it. So let me just put this on the side. So it says that's a 14-ounce mug. And next, here is Arabian Nights cinnamon coffee. Look at that. You see that? Oh. So cinnamon coffee. Let me see. From Coffee and a Classic. That's what it says on here. So I bet this smells so nice. I love cinnamon. I actually sometimes put cinnamon in my coffee to brew, but it just never saturates the cinnamon enough. You know what I'm going to be doing after this video? I'll be brewing me some coffee. And then the next item, ooh, there's a snack in here. Oh, let me just go to the bookmarks. I see that next. Oh, how pretty. Look at this. I will definitely be using this, and it has a tassel on there. Be using that. I love bookmarks. And then bookish item 1. And I'm just going to take my glasses off to read this. Gentle Lamp Incense Burner. Ooh. And that is this. Look at this, how gorgeous that is. I guess that goes on there like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Pretty. Okay. And then the next bookish item is Flying Carpet Mouse Pad. Ooh, I'm going to dig through all this to find that. And you know what? This is great because this could also go, all these can go in your compost. I actually have, like I get a container when I'm finished with the oatmeal, and I put some of this in it from shredding paper, and then I throw my coffee grounds in there, and then I throw, once it's full, I just dump it all in the compost. Ooh, wait, what am I on? Oh, the mouse pad, that's probably at the bottom, but this right here is Almond Jewels. Look at that. Can you see it? It's kind of hard, but it says Almond Jewels in the middle of that. And it's chocolate. I believe it's chocolate. Look at that. So these are Almond Jewels. Yummy. I might put a few more in there so you can see them. I don't want to eat on camera to find out, but I'm pretty sure that's chocolate covered almonds. That looks so good. Oh, so I'm going to have my coffee inside my beautiful mug, eating some almonds. Almond Jewels. Okay, let's see what it's in here next. Okay, I think it's, oh, the mouse pad. Oh my, look at this. It's like the flying carpet. Isn't that beautiful? I'll definitely be using this. And the last item, I believe, is the book. Yeah, and it's gorgeous. Look at that. On the back it says Open Sesame. And look at that. This is so nice. Just trying to show you all. It's just so gorgeous. And there's a flying carpet. I take it that's probably Aladdin. Here's a table of contents. I don't know if you could read that there. You pause it. Let's see. Oh, there's something. There's black and white pages, but there's also some color pages. And let me just, pages in color. Here's one. You see that? And then let's see if I can kind of, there's another one that we just, oh, here's the black and white. And then there's another color. So the book is this size, and you can see the font in there. Can you see that? Let me just put it right there. So I love this. So here's another page. Isn't that gorgeous? So have you subscribed to Coffee and a Classics? If so, let me know in the description, the comments below. And I'll put in the descriptions, I will put the link to this company. I just love it. And I'm going to try another one. So this is just really nice. I'm so excited about this. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. So that was just a lot of fun, and I can't wait. This is what I'm gonna brew some coffee right after this. So I will let you all know. Maybe in another video, I'll let you all know how it tasted, or maybe I'll do that in the comments in the description below. So again, and remember, you don't have to get coffee. It could be tea or hot cocoa. So Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my unboxing. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until next time, y'all have a great day.